Hey everybody, Aaron Dillon here, Managing Director of EG Dillon & Co. We're a venture capital firm focused on pre-IPO companies with investment funds for individual investors, family offices, financial advisors, and institutional investors. All right, so I got pre-IPO company update here for you for the week ending 5 May 2023. Today we'll hit on big company news from Twitter and Instacart. We'll talk SoftBank venture fund valuations and recent AI industry happening. We've got large capital raises and individual pre-IPO stock company update as well. Okay, Oracle and Microsoft have started talks about a potential agreement to rent servers from each other in case of a shortage of computing power for their respective cloud customers using large-scale artificial intelligence. The shortage of servers capable of running AI software has led to a surge in demand, and this agreement aims to address that. Oracle is a historically less prominent player in the cloud field, has success by renting cloud servers to AI startups competing with OpenAI due to its ability to run complex machine learning models more cost effectively. The article also mentioned that Oracle is developing a broader AI strategy for its cloud software products, including the possibility of developing its own large language model and exploring the use of OpenAI software. Microsoft and other cloud providers are also developing their own AI server chips to reduce reliance on graphics processing units or GPUs made by NVIDIA. The potential server sharing agreement between Oracle and Microsoft could leverage their existing data center connections to share GPU server capacity. And while financial terms have yet to be finalized, this collaboration could address the growing demand for AI infrastructure and propel the development of innovative AI applications. All right, Linda Yaccarino, the global advertising chief for NBC Universal, has resigned to become the next CEO of Twitter, as confirmed by Twitter's owner, Elon Musk, in a tweet. Musk stated that Yaccarino would primarily focus on business operations while he concentrates on product design and new technology. Musk also expressed his anticipation of working with Yaccarino to transform Twitter into an all-encompassing platform called X or X.com. Yaccarino naturally has great relationship with chief marketing officers globally from her time at NBC, so no doubt she'll be using those relationships to drive ad revenue at Twitter. Okay, Instacart experienced a slowdown in growth in the first quarter, with its gross order volume growing between 5 to 10% compared to the same period last year. It's a decline of about 16% growth seen. It's a decline from the 16% growth it's seen in 2022. The slowdown could potentially delay Instacart's planned public debut. The effects of COVID-19 and increasing competition in the grocery delivery sector, in particular from firms like DoorDash, may be contributing factors. Despite the slowdown, Instacart still holds a significant amount of market share among online grocery intermediaries, and the company has been waiting for investor appetite for public listings to rebound. But the slower growth in order volume poses a challenge in achieving kind of a favorable valuation when they go public. However, Instacart has generated cash and is over $1 billion on its balance sheet now. Okay, SoftBank's Vision Fund reported a loss of $2.3 billion in the quarter ending March, as the value of its investments in private startups declined despite some recovery in publicly listed stocks. The loss highlights the ongoing challenges faced by SoftBank in a difficult market environment. The Vision Fund, which is SoftBank's venture capital fund, which holds a vast portfolio of both public and private companies, has struggled amidst global stock market volatility and recession concerns. For the full fiscal year ending March, SoftBank Group recorded a net loss of $7.2 billion due to the investment losses of the Vision Fund. SoftBank has investments in some of the premier private tech companies like eToro, Klarna, Devoted Health, Chime, GoPuff, Flexport, and Revolut. As of March 31st, the total value of the Vision Fund's portfolio stood at $138 billion. All right, big capital raises for the week. We got one new unicorn this week. Runway is a multimedia AI company, raised $100 million Series D at a $1.5 billion valuation, a 200% increase from its $500 million valuation Series C in December of 2022, just 5 months ago. It's $1 billion increase in valuation in 5 months. It's incredible. Investors were not disclosed for the deal. A few other highlights. Flink is a German grocery delivery service, raised $100 million Series B at a $1 billion valuation. That's down 65% from its last round. Redaptive is an energy saving and energy generating equipment company, raised a $250 million Series E at $1 billion valuation. And Monogram, a knee replacement robotics company, raised a $80 million Series D at a $900 million valuation. That's a 390% increase from its $200 million valuation Series C. That is a monster valuation increase for these folks. Okay, last up, we got pre-IPO stock performance. Pre-IPO stocks were down for the week, negative 4.14%. The S&P 500 was down 0.80%. Year-to-date, pre-IPO stocks trailed the S&P 500 by 24%. Kraken is up 5.32% year-to-date, and it's all red for the rest of the pre-IPO stocks. Brex was down 48%, Chime down 43%, and Stripe, Airtable, Epic Games, and Discord are all down over 10% plus. Stripe and Databricks had good weeks, up 3.69% and 2.76% respectively. Brex just got crushed this week. It's down 32% in a week. And so did Chime. Chime was down 20% this week. I have to assume this fallout, it's like fallout from the broader banking crisis. Brex and Chime are both in the kind of the challenger bank space. Okay, that's it for this week. If you have any pre-IPO stock research needs, please reach out. Love to dive in with you. We're standing up an OpenAI fund now and grabbing more SpaceX exposure in June. It's been a great month so far this month. Thanks, and see you all next week.